program looks like a party. We're working with a group of amazing professionals. They really know how to inspire and discipline the kids at the same time.
I cannot guarantee you success, but we're gonna work our hardest to give you an opportunity.
I think that sport and a commitment to sports teaches us a huge amount about life. Basketball and hip hop or street dance work really well together because there's the same kind of energy behind both of these forms of expression. It feels like the Olympics, but it looks like carnival. This program does not end on the basketball court, and it does not stop in the dance circle. I am 100% sure that these kids are going to take what they've learned in this program and continue to benefit from it throughout their whole lives.